Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you GTA 6 trailer hidden details, Easter eggs, and theories. Number 1. There are license plate clues. If you didn't know, Leonida is a Florida parody, and that's where GTA 6 is set. However, other license plates include Gloriana, which is Georgia, Liberty City, Arizona-style plates, and many more. This suggests a multi-state map or future expansions possible, not just Leonida. Number 2 is the Mount Caliga location. The park is unrealistically large for Florida. It's located on the northern border, which implies more areas beyond Leonida. Again, this might be revealed to us later. Number 3. Michael's boat from GTA 5. There is a boat resembling Michael's that appears in Jason's house. We don't know much of it yet, but it could be a fun continuity nod from GTA 5. Number 4. Phil's ammunition. The ammunition guy may reference to Phil Cassidy from Vice City. Number 5. There seems to be Red Dead Presidents on GTA 6 cash. Money in strip clubs features characters from Red Dead Redemption 2. Crossover includes Thaddeus Waxman and President Harden. Number 6. Vice City character callbacks. Outfits and visuals reference Lance Vance, Ricardo Diaz, and Tommy Vercetti. There is a lot of strong Vice City nostalgia throughout the game. Number 7. Lucia's ankle monitor theory. This is seen in most scenes, and we think it possibly limits early game movement. However, it's not visible in flashbacks or late game scenes, which means the monitor may come off later. Number 8. Mobile phones and interfaces. Lucia's poolside scene reveals in-game phone UI. Also, car dashboards show possible Spotify parody. Number 9. Music and nightlife ties. There was a Young Ancestor shirt spotted that connects to GTA Online's Diamond Casino heist. Number 10 is Jason an undercover cop. There have been many theories about this. His outfit matches police raid scenes. Also, dialogue hints he may be cooperating with law enforcement, like Michael in GTA 5. Number 11. Heists and Raul Batista. Raul appears during a heist, probably a crew organizer. A lot of people think this scene pays tribute to the film Heat. Number 12. Throwbacks to 2022 leaks. There is a motel and pool from Jason's leaked conversation with Jay Norris confirmed. There's also the location Port Gellhorn, near Starlit Motel. Number 13. Weapon storage in car trunks. In the trailers, Jason and Lucia grab guns from a trunk. This could mean Red Dead style loadouts. There are scenes that also mirror Tommy and Lance from classic Vice City. And number 14. Rockstar's joke parody of AirPods called Beat-Offs are back. They're seen in trailers and screenshots. This may allow for on-foot radio, music, and if so, it's a new feature for GTA. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!